everybody, I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
Guess who we are?
Sisters in Stitches and Sisters in Real Life. Coming at you today with
Glossy box. It's the sophomore box. It is the box that will tell Debbie and I whether or not we're keeping the subscription, because we always give boxes
2 tries.
at least 2 tries. And the first box was really pretty. It had nice things in it. We were like, okay, all right, let's see what's going on. I've heard some good things and bad things about it. So I love the boxes that they send.
Glossy box.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's
so
nice
when
and
you
sturdy and pretty.
But I am a firm believer that when they spend a lot of money on the boxing and the wrapping, they have to make it up somewhere. So that's for me. Cindy loves the pretty boxes and wrapping, but I would rather see better content. So they always throw one of these, some kind of wine card in there. I'm not quite sure what it is, but
Ah, it's so pretty. Look, it's all mint green this month.
and they do it nice, and so we'll unwrap it so you can see where they spend their money.
All right, I'll put all the links
Open
below
it
for
up.
everything. Oh, there's going to be some cool things in here.
All right, so that's the box.
And I believe, I want to say this is $21 a month. I don't know, but I'll double check.
The deal is there's full size and trial sizes, so you just gotta wait to see what comes in your box. So I'll pull out the first thing that looks like a full size. It's Juice Beauty.
I like Juice Beauty. And I think...
What is it? Juice
It
Beauty
is a
what?
cream shadow stick. Oh boy, what color? Oh, another nude thing.
How do you even see that on your eye? Is it eyeshadow?
It's, yeah, it says it's with built-in anti-aging ingredients.
Oh, we should be putting that on our lips, our necks.
Our old lady cleavage stuff going on.
Can you see it? Can you see it on my eyes? Look.
Okay, here.
Look, I've got it on. Can you see it?
No, but it says a tip. For a sheer look, they recommend small stroke across the eyelid with minor blending. Here's a little blending brush. Let me blend for you.
Yeah, but is it even going on my eyes? I can't even see it.
Well, you know what actually, you know what I think that's really good for? Because sometimes your eyelids are a little darker than your face, so that just kind of blends it in so that the
I don't
lids
see a thing.
That's the point.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't see any better or worse. All right, well, okay.
No, but see, now look at how dark my eyelids are, and then you put this on, and it just kind of matches your face. But I have eyeshadow on. Oh, you're killing me, Smalls. I have eyeshadow.
That's nothing. I don't see a thing.
I have eyeshadow on.
All right, well, whatever.
I'm going to play with it. At least it's full size, and it retails for $22.
You can't see it. It doesn't do anything, but it's a full size. All right, the next thing is John Masters Organic Shampoo for Normal Hair.
I do
it's
like John Masters. It's a trial size. Full size is 8 ounces.
Ooh, very good smelling.
Let's see.
That might be a good pack in your suitcase.
Oh, that smells wonderful. Does it have the conditioner in there too?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Yes,
It's a leave-in conditioner for extra conditioning.
They have a thing on it. I'm not going to take it off so you can bring it in your suitcase without it spilling.
It says to leave in for up to an hour if you want a really good
wow, nice
deep conditioning.
Since I bleached my hair, it's drier than dry, so I need something to put in my hair. I won't take your thing, but I need to get something. So the next thing is called Plumper. What is Plumper?
What Plumper? What are you talking about?
It's called Plumper.
It's a wee little bitty
lip
thing.
balm.
Oh, it's a natural lip balm. It's a plumper.
It's another thing you can't see.
For super moisturized and effortless look, we suggest swiping this lip over a matte lip color. Full size value is $14.
It kind of tastes like cinnamon.
Oh, this is full size.
It kind of tastes like cinnamon.
This wee bitty thing.
Maybe
is
that's
full
what's supposed
size.
to plump your lips. Well, cinnamon would do that. What? Go ahead, put it on.
Maybe.
You'll see what I'm talking about.
I wonder if it'll plump anything.
It does taste like cinnamon.
It does, actually.
Well, it's saying peppermint.
You wouldn't Yeah, I can taste it. Is I can taste the peppermint.
Peppermint.
But I just wonder if this plumps anything.
I don't know. All right, so then
Where my mind is going.
Derma Essentials Overnight Peel Alpha Hydroxy Acids. What do those do for you?
It's like an It's like a like an antioxidant. And
Well, I know, I read that.
Oh, well, that's what it is.
Like, what does it do
It
for you?
evens out your skin's complexion while you're sound asleep.
Evens out your skin complexions. That
It's
will
an
have to
overnight
give a whirl.
It's vegan friendly, non-abrasive, alpha hydroxy
Acids. You can rest easy knowing your skin is in good hands.
Yes.
All right, there you go, ladies. We'll have to give that a try.
Yeah, and then you put it on overnight, and then you wash your face in the morning, and it takes all the dead skin off.
Then they gave us 2 of these little things of Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydrator.
Yeah, it's
These little
wee bitty
guys.
little things. You know, how do I feel about this box? Love the box. Love this box.
I told you, when they make it this pretty, it's gonna show somewhere else in the box.
You know, I think this box is like $21, and you know, comparing it to BoxyCharm or Lola, we only got one full-size thing.
Now, these could be really good products.
Well, 2
We
full-size
haven't
things,
tried-
I
Yeah, we got
guess.
2 full-size things.
Now, and I don't mind getting, you know, expensive stuff but I don't know. What do you guys think?
Weigh in, let us know.
Should we keep it? I don't want to pay $21 for a little box when I can go to Hobby Lobby and buy a
buy
$10
any kind of
big
box you want. So, suggestion for Glossy box: ixnay on all the the packaging, and fill it with a better content,
full size.
full size content. These
If
little
you're trying
trial
to compete
things
with either lower the price to $10 and put samples in there, or leave it at $21 and put full size. Like you're competing with BoxyCharm and Lola.
Yeah,
really.
who are the same price as you, and they
Like-
don't
like
put
they're
all
watching.
they don't put all the well, just in case you do watch, we're not dissing your box. You put it together a pretty box. The content is a little bit lacking. The stuff you put in didn't do a whole lot. They're just trial samples of shampoo.
Because there's so many beauty boxes out there.
Yeah,
If
so
you want to compete.
We'd love to see your company continue to grow, but I'm telling you, put better content in it and ixnay on all the wrappings and stuff. You know, get cheaper boxes. Okay,
All right,
so that's Glossy box.
I think
you guys weigh in and
over
let you know if
here-
we're right or wrong.
Yeah.
Or are we being too hard on them? Should we get another one? Shouldn't we? Let us know. We're game.
Vote.
Yeah, weigh in. We really appreciate your comments and stuff, and we do listen to you. So if you don't think it's worth it, $21 a month for those two lip, regular size lip, a lip
Balm.
plumper, and then the eye, whatever stick we got, and then the 3 free trial things. I don't know. I'm kind of bummed.
Yeah, I am too. Because, you know, honestly, Target box is $7 and you get sample sizes.
Yeah, which
That's
we'll
worth
be
it.
opening those later tonight too. So you'll be able to see the videos eventually, and you'll be able to play them against each other. So, all right,
Oh, hey,
Glossy box
over here, ladies, Jen.
Yes,
This little
the
button.
subscription button.
Just hover your mouse over, click or press it. We love seeing new subscribers. And if you are a new subscriber and you just came over here from one of our collaboration videos this
Welcome,
past weekend,
welcome.
yeah, let us know where you are from if you haven't already done so. And because we like to welcome you personally. So,
And we try to respond to every comment we get. So if you leave a comment, you can venture to guess that one of us will get back
isn't it
to
funny
you.
how you develop relationships with people you never met through the comments?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you know what's really strange? When you're used to corresponding with some of your better viewers or your long-time viewers, and then you don't see them for a while, you're like, oh, what happened to them? Why aren't they there? Or, you know, what's
Yeah.
going on in their lives? I wonder if they're okay. And so we'll try and search them out to see And if they stop watching us because they're bored of us, that's fine. But we just we like to check in and make sure they're okay. And so that's just us. Midwesterners, we're like that.
Us guys. All right. We gotta go. We got a lot of videos,
Thanks.
so.
Thanks for tuning in.
All right, take care.